Alright, so in this video we're going to be integrating this indefinite integral, which is we're trying to be integrating dx over square root of x minus 1. And yeah, let's start. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use u sub for this because I feel like that's like the best way to solve this. So I'm going to set my u is equal to x minus 1. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I want to figure out what my du is. So what will be the derivative of x minus 1? The derivative of x minus 1 would just be 1. So I can just do, I would just write dx in this case. All right. And then if I'm going to figure out what dx is dx would just be equal to du. All right. So now my next step would be to simplify this integral over here. So then I can rewrite it as du over just square root of u, right? Because you know our x minus 1 we set to u. Our next thing I want to do is I want to get rid of my square root, and so I'm going to do u to the power of half. So it's going to be du over u to the power of half. The next thing I want to do is I want to bring this from the bottom. I want to put I want to bring it to the top, right? And to do that, it's just I'm gonna do this. So it's going to be integrating. It's going to be du. Oops. It would be u to the power of negative half du. All right. Now our next step in this case would be to just integrate this. Just fairly simple. Let's just use this method over here where we do u to the power of negative half plus 1. We add 1 to the top. And then we take that expression, we bring it to the bottom, be half plus 1 at the bottom as well. So this would become equal to... Now, what I did here was a little silly mistake here. What we actually want to do is to get rid of this integration symbol here because we don't need it. And you also have to do one more thing. You have to add a plus c here. So that's something I missed there, but you have to do that. Okay. Now, the next step we want to do here in this case is it would be, remember, we'd simplify this, it would be u to the power of half, right, over a value of half. And don't forget your plus c. Okay. Now our next step would be to simplify this, and I would multiply both the top and the bottom by 2. So it would be 2u to the power of half plus c. Now our final step would be to sub in our value for u. And if you scroll up here, we know our value for u. We set it as x minus 1. So it would just be equal to... And remember, you can also do one more thing. It would be 2 square root of u plus c, right? And then it would be 2, and remember you can substitute your value of u now. It would be 2 square root of x minus 1, and then it would be plus c. And this would be your final answer. And that's how you can basically integrate dx over square root of x minus 1.